right, perfect, man. Thank you so much. It was great to meet you.
Great meeting you too.
All right, I'll talk to you soon, Devin. Bye-bye.
Met Devin at the coffee shop today, period. He is originally from San Antonio, where he was a successful personal trainer, period. He got into his own entrepreneurial stuff and recently moved to Colorado looking for his next gig here, period. I talked about what he's looking to do next and going to introduce him to a few of my friends to see how I can help, period. 26 seconds. That's all it took for me to remember everything important about that conversation. 26 seconds. Do you think you could do that? I know you could.
It's just that easy. In fact, when we were designing contact mapping, easy was the key word. If it wasn't easy, we didn't do it. Let me show you what I mean. Let's take a look at the app. Here's the interface on our homepage. The first time you open it, at the very top, you'll see 0 of 2 contacts mapped today. That's just our way of encouraging you to make new connections every single day. Just below that, you'll see Notes Unlogged. The notes and unlogged areas we will cover in some of our instructional videos. In the next section down, you'll see all of your follow-ups that are currently due. If you want to see your upcoming follow-ups, simply tap on See All on the right. Our follow-up process and template are the best in the business and have been designed with complete simplicity of use in mind. So on the homepage, we're going to help you to connect with new people each day, we're going to keep you on top of your follow-ups, and we're going to nudge and inspire you to keep your relationships growing. Now you're going to love this next little piece of functionality. See that little white plus sign in the green circle? We call that our quick trigger button, and that's exactly what it's for. Getting you to the key things you'd like to do right away, like creating a new contact, setting a new follow-up, or creating a new note for an existing contact. You'll see the quick trigger button on other pages in the app, and it's always going to take you to do these commonly used functions. This is the exact process I used when I mapped Jason at the coffee shop, and as you saw, it seamlessly flows from one step to the next. Now, down at the bottom, you'll see a navigation section. We've just shown you the home screen. You also have a section called Notes and Contacts that makes it easy for you to reference those. And finally, a really cool button simply labeled Search. It's really cool because of the depth and breadth of its coverage. It's like being able to Google your own memory. Imagine being able to remember anyone you've ever met based on anything you remember about them. A place, a hobby, a mutual friend, and instantly being able to access that person's name and everything you remember about them. It's almost like a magic trick.